Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about the market's natural flow, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
First of all, on a lot of days where you think that you've got the direction right, I'm sure you've noticed that the market just goes in the other direction. That happens, and it happens fairly regularly. If you just look at the data and the odds, this will tell you too, because if you were to look at any bull or bear market, you would find that there's still about an equal amount of days that go up or down, regardless of
today is one of those days. Right now, I've noticed a pattern recently where you get that, say, mid-morning or maybe lunchtime or just after lunch, you get that reversal. And what's amazing about it is that oftentimes it goes in the direction of what the Hall said it was going to do.
Yeah.
But I've already screwed it up.
Yeah. So another thing that I said that is hard to do is just accept it. And if you're going to accept it, accept that the odds are the odds, that this is what happens. It's still a 50-50 shot, whether you're in a bull market or bear market. The only real difference is that in a bull market, the average magnitude of the moves tends to be a little bit bigger than the average loss move. Average magnitude of a bull move in a bull market tends to be a little bit bigger than the magnitude of the bear moves. That's what kind of constitutes a bull market. And then the opposite is true for a bear market. It's just the way it is. And the numbers prove it out. You can look at data going back 100 years. It's about an even split. There's a slight skew to the positive side over the past 100 years. And I guess one could say that's why the market continually goes up on average. But on any sustained run, it's about a 50-50 shot. And it's really hard to tell what day is going to be which. Here's another thing that we know, that the magnitude of the moves tends to get distributed based on that kind of bell curve. About 2/3 of those moves are going to be small, between no more than a 0.5% move. We know that too. And then almost another 3/4 of that last third are going to be moves between 0.5% and 1%. And then the rest of the moves are those outliers. So we know that too, right? So all we do is we try to map a strategy that will capture things in that same kind of distribution. That's what we're doing with the out of the money fly and the asymmetry, trying to capture that within that same kind of distribution, put it in that direction because of that magnitude. The average magnitude tends to be bigger on that side. It's a slight edge. It's not a big edge. It's a slight edge. But we add to that a number of other things, like we're doing it on the Zero DTE day. And we know that on that Zero DTE day, we can also collect premium. So we put on a strategy that at the same time is trying to capture that asymmetry and that distribution move, that butterfly, out of the money butterfly, but also capture the rapid decay of premium. So there's another edge that we add on to it. The other edge that we add on to it is by controlling volatility and controlling the drawdown. And that helps us maintain our sanity so that we're not making stupid ass moves or stupid ass decisions because we're not getting panicked all the time. Now, that is part of the realization part, the acceptance part. When you realize that's what you're doing, then you're not going to be putting on or keep on trying to push price or push your strategy closer to the market so that you can have a better chance of doing that, when you know that that's going to create a bigger risk to put that position on, which is going to create higher volatility in your returns and bigger drawdowns. You know that you can't do that. So instead, you have to do the non-intuitive thing and push it further out.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.